Well, good morning. We're on a pretty short one. It's kind of rare. I think we've only got 50 foot of hose plus the end hose over here. So it's a driveway, real cut up. Anyway, what my plan is here, since we don't have that much hose on the ground and we're all right here, I'm going to show you how to unplug one. Because we're not going to put any mix or anything in the hose. We're going to put a little bit of water in it. And then I think it'll plug probably right around that 50-foot collar right in there somewhere. And then we'll take it off, bust the plug out, and then go to the end right there. So yeah, it's got a lot of step down, steps over there. Of course, it's a driveway here, and it drives and it steps down right there. I guess those are drain boxes, maybe. I'm not sure. This is kind of weird, like a planter box right there. Oh, somebody dreamed up one night. Other planter boxes. Be a stone house. Got their stone. Might have been a remodel also. I'm thinking that's what this might be. There's an old window in that door. I can see the blind is still in that window that's broke out, or the window's gone. So let's see what we got here. Help. Hold on. Hey, you hold the camera. Wait, you hold the camera and I'll do this. Well, I got steps. I gotta keep it tight. All right. There it goes. There it goes. All right, this is how you unplug one right here. Back it up. I'm having to back the pump up a stroke or two to get release some pressure off this clamp. that's how you take care of a plug. See, if you don't put a starter pack in front of it like that masonry mix we use, that water, it just rinses out the cement, and so you really pretty much got just sand and gravel. So you see that, and of course this is what was behind it. There's some cement, but the water washed it out. So that's what packs you right there. That's a good little pea gravel mix we're using. But you still got to have a starter of some sort, a primer, I guess, not a starter, but a primer. And that's why I use that masonry mix. Some people use bentonite. I don't know where to get it. I know we got oil field stuff around here and can get it, but I've never used it, never anything like that. So to each their own. The masonry mix works awesome for us. It's relatively available at all Home Depots, Lowe's, and all lumber yards. So it's just super simple to get, and it's easy to use. Got these steps here to mess with. Now they're starting to let it stack up on the steps a little bit. That way it'll start ganging up, start setting up a little bit. Just a little wet. Borderline. It's gonna work. It's gonna hold for him though. Got a stuff for y'all. It's Labor Day weekend this weekend. On our other channel, the outdoor channel, I've started a project over there. I didn't inherit it, but well, good afternoon. Welcome to Muddyfeet TV. We've acquired a project. Yeah, and y'all are the first to know about this. Look at there. Coming across here, we'll see my old buddy Matt. Yeah. We'll see him, and then we're gonna come in here and we're gonna give him one of them. Yeah. More or less, I let a friend borrow my trailer, and he went and picked up a four-wheel drive Jeep Cherokee, a 95 model, and I was kind of wanting my trailer back, so I ended up buying the Jeep Cherokee to get my trailer back. So and it's a project vehicle, so I've kind of started doing some little tinkering on it, and I've got some stuff I'm gonna do. I'm willing to spend a little more money on it, but I want to make sure that it's mechanically sound. So it doesn't have a lift on it or anything. The tires are great. It seems to run good. Got a few oil spots under it, but what I'm seeing is the oil's coming from the steering, the hydraulic arms for the steering. So, but we're gonna have some fun with it, and you're gonna see the beginning of the fun on the video that I'm gonna post. I don't know. I got two ready. I don't know if I'm gonna post them or not. I'm definitely gonna post the one where I built the bumper and put the light bar and all that kind of stuff on it, and then played around with it, and then actually took it dove hunting a couple days later. So, but kind of check out my project on there. It's at Muddyfeet TV. There's a link right here to the channel. We need subscribers. Go over there and subscribe to that channel and kind of follow along with what we do with that Jeep. I'm not going to full blowout paint it. No, I mean, it's going to be a beater. I mean, and so that's what I plan on doing with it, is roughing it up some. So, but you can go over there and check out the beginnings and all that, and we're starting to have a little fun with it. So go, if you don't mind, if you got time, go check out that channel. And I may post a couple videos this weekend, being Labor Day weekend. I may post a couple videos over there, the actual, working on the Jeep, and the couple of hunts we had and all that. So but yeah, look at the link up in the little icon up here, or I'll put it in the description down below, and check us out. So we're having a lot of fun on that channel. I've had some stuff with my daughter all summer, doing some stuff at the lake. So there's some good stuff over there. A little bit of fishing, a little bit of jet skiing, things like that, and cooking. So I'll go over and see what we got going on over there. Having a lot of fun on that channel. This is work on this channel. We have fun on the other channel. So sometimes it's just fun, and sometimes it's not fun. But today's a good day. I've had some guys ask me about getting how you get plugs out and things like that. That was a fairly simple one. Definitely when it's the location, depends on how easy it's going to be. That was at the end of the hose, at the clamp. When it's in the middle of the hose, I mean, a lot of you guys know. I mean, you're definitely going to work a little bit harder to get that out. So, but not many times you can call where your plug is going to be. But it looked like a good opportunity right there with only having, I don't know what, 65, 70 foot of hose out, and not worry about making any kind of a mess or anything. Don't put any primer in and see what you got. But my gut feeling was at that 50 foot clamp we were going to plug, and that's exactly where it was. Not that I'm always right, but that's just where I felt like it was going to do it at. So hope that was worth your money. They told me they got 30 yards ordered. That 30 yards seems like that's going to be a lot for this project. I tell you, doing this job right here, it makes me wonder what this would go, how this would go with some 2.5 inch hose. I'd like to try some out. I got some 2 inch, but that's just a little small. But I wonder if some 2.5 wouldn't work real well on a job like this. We don't get many jobs like this, so I just don't know if it's worth the investment of buying a couple 100 foot of that 2.5. But I'd sure like to try some out just to see. That's my other thing. I don't want to get in the habit of having to carry all that hose on one truck, or having to unload and load a truck either. Well, they got this under control. We got 50 foot out, so Bill's pump got canceled this morning because there's rain south of us. down here where he's gonna be pumping down in Fort Worth, Arlington area. So, not Arlington, Mansfield. We're gonna go and got a couple parts to replace on his truck and need to chisel his hopper some too. So we're gonna go do that and see what else we get into. Oh, we gotta go exchange the alternator and some fuses for the armadillo that we're working on the Muddyfeet TV channel. So we're gonna go exchange the core and then get a couple other parts for the armadillo. But we'll kick you back on when we get back over to the yard. See you in a minute. Well, we're kind of done for the day. I made it to the auto parts store, traded my core alternator in, and picked up some headlights and a couple little fuses I needed for the windshield wipers. And so, y'all don't mind that. I hate for anybody to think differently of me for having a little bit of, you know, substance back of the truck. But anyway, we're headed out to the lake for the weekend. We're gonna do a little more work on the armadillo, and might even take it out on a hunting. Yeah, we'll probably go hunting in it tomorrow morning or Sunday or Monday, maybe all three. Go do a little bird hunting. Supposed to have a little front come in this next week. Cool things down, make it just these pristine temperatures for us. I'm talking like 60s in the mid to lower 70s, and hopefully a little bit less humidity. So I'm talking about some stuff we can sit on the patio and visit with. Looking forward to that. So with that in mind, check out what I'm doing over there on Muddyfeet TV, the fun channel, not the working channel, but the fun channel. And we're gonna have some videos. We got some videos and we've been having some good times on. So we're trying to get that channel on up there to where we can do a little more with it. So, and it's growing, but you just need to come on, just hit that red button. It's, you know, just right there, that subscribe button when you get over there, and that way you know when something's going on, because I don't talk about all that much on this channel, but I do. Maybe some guys would like to go over and see what I'm doing with that Jeep over there, because we're fixing to have some fun with that thing. I've got big plans. All right, that's enough. Thank y'all for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed me trying to get that plug unplugged, and you'll go from there. So we'll catch you on the next one. Y'all have a great weekend. Stay safe, stay hydrated, and let's get ready for this fall swing and get some work done. So talk to you later.